Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find the option System and Updates. Before we'll proceed with the next steps, I highly recommend to right now make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so you can avoid some additional charges that could apply depending on your career. Alright, so let's go to System and Updates, and here tap on Backup and Restore. Here we've got this whole section for Google Backup, so first of all you need to turn it on, so just tap on Backup to Google and tap on the switcher here, and now we can tap on Backup Account. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection, as you can see it is necessary. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it, and tap on Next. Right here, we need to enter our password. Alright, and tap on Next. So here you can decide who's going to use this device, so either you or your child. Just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And here, we've got the information about the backup, so we are able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically whenever you're connected to the Wi-Fi, stored securely because it is encrypted, and you can manage the backup whenever you want. So just tap on Turn On to finish, and as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account. You can tap on it and tap on your account here, tap on Turn On again, and unfortunately, after that, after turning the backup, just tap on Google account here, and as you can see, we've got the backup details. So here we can decide what kind of data we would like to backup. So you can either choose other device data, which is, as I said, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. And you can also turn on photos and videos just by tapping on this option and tapping on this switcher if you want to. But let me go back. Let me go back. Don't. Okay, let me go back. I wanted to show you other device data because here we've got more information about our backup, for example, and about our account. So we can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. So, for example, you can remove some unnecessary files. Here you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So even though, let me go back, even though we've turned on the backup after tapping here, right? I hope that you can remember. We've tapped on Turn On. The backup didn't really start. So to finish everything completely, we need to go to this Google account and tap on Backup Now. And from now on, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.